Wait, the Reels you are watching is not made just for entertainment. It is made purely for attention. And attention is the most expensive currency today. People are simply laughing after watching monkey vlogs, AI characters, and parody Reels. But some people are using this exact format to build faceless pages and earn thousands of dollars every month. This is a repeatable AI system. Once you understand it, creating content and scaling it becomes easy. That is why today I will show you some tools and structures using which you can also create these videos and earn thousands of dollars every month. Quickly grab your pen and paper and get ready to take notes. Let's start the video and understand why this trend entered the market and why people enjoy these videos. Look, the internet is tired of perfect people, perfect faces, perfect lifestyles, perfect knowledge. That is why non-human characters are working better. Whether it is a monkey, an AI character, or even a parody avatar. Because the message these AI characters deliver is human, but their face feels a little unexpected. Now, there is a core formula behind making these videos, and it has only 4 steps. Number 1, ideation. Number 2, characterization. Number 3, video editing. And number 4, the upload system. But when I was researching this video, I noticed something interesting. People in the market have made this process very complicated. They mentioned 10 tools, 20 settings, and there are 50 different tutorials about it. That is why I will break it down in a very simple way and explain step by step how to do it. First, we begin with step number 1, ideation. This entire step is completely based on ChatGPT, and this is where most people make mistakes. People are very lazy. They open ChatGPT and directly say, write a funny script. Then ChatGPT gives them a random weak script, and people blame it and say AI content does not work. My brother, the mistake is not AI's fault. The mistake is yours. AI works well only when you give it the right instructions. You just need to understand how to use it correctly. Step number 1, you have to lock the character. Now, character does not mean the face. Character means behavior. Basically, you use ChatGPT to decide how this character reacts to things. Does it like humans or not? Is its humor innocent or a little savage? Is it talkative or slightly introverted? In this step, you are basically defining the full persona of the character. Once your persona is ready, ChatGPT itself will start giving you many content ideas based on that character. If you want to learn how to write a master prompt that actually works, check the I button video right now. And don't skip the description. After that comes ideation step number 2, catchphrases and repetition. The most underrated part of any AI video is repeatability. You might have noticed that every viral character has 1 or 2 fixed opening lines, a fixed tone, a familiar energy, and you can lock all these things using ChatGPT simply by telling it that every episode should start with the same feel. Repeat certain words and make sure the character's tone never changes. When you add these repetitions, the viewer feels like this is the same character they saw before. This builds both trust and recognition. After that comes the episode system. If you want to do this consistently for a long time, you have to work in episodes. You cannot rely on single videos every time. So take work in batches from ChatGPT. For example, generate 10 episode ideas at once. Then keep every episode around 10 to 15 seconds long. Also tell ChatGPT that every episode should end in an open-ended way. The ending should feel like the brain says, wait, I want to see what happens next. When you write scripts like this and connect 2 videos together, something interesting happens. Let me explain with a simple example. At some point, you must have watched a TV serial. What happens in a serial? First, there is a recap, and at the end, there is something like coming tomorrow. These 2 things do something powerful. The recap increases the viewer's recall value. They remember that, yes, something like this happened yesterday. And what happens next creates anticipation. The viewer becomes curious about what will happen tomorrow and what twist will come next. So we use this same serial formula in our Reels. Now understand the benefit. Videos start playing one after another in a loop, which increases watch time. When watch time increases, reach increases. And when reach increases, the money increases. Step number 4, scale mindset. You are not going to sit and write every day, right? That is why you need a weekly system. Generate 5 scripts daily using ChatGPT and prepare your mindset, because here you are not just a creator. You are basically a content operator. A creator thinks in an artistic way, but a content operator is focused only on results. What is the job of a content operator? Bring volume, maintain consistency, increase speed, and ChatGPT will help you do all these things. You just need to keep asking the right questions. Now, this was the content level. After this, there is another level where this page can become a real business. Look, at the lower level, you are creating Gen AI videos yourself, but at a higher business level, you can teach this system to others and earn money from it. Now, if you understood all this, let's see how to bring a Gen AI character to life, meaning how to create its first look. Now we move to the next segment of the video, AI character generation. Before this segment begins, I want to give you some disclaimers. In this part, you will need some Gen AI tools, like Gemini and Vio 3. Let's start this section by understanding one thing. Making a viral reel is not difficult. The hardest part is keeping the same character exactly the same across 10, 20, or even 50 reels. Sometimes the face changes, sometimes the outfit changes, sometimes the vibe feels different. And do you know what happens? Because of this, the audience gets confused. That is why you should follow one simple rule. You have to give a clear signal to the Gen AI that this character's look and outfit will repeat. The camera angle should stay almost the same. Expressions should be limited. Many people think repetition is boring, but repetition actually builds a brand. Think of a cartoon character like Ben. In the entire series, he always wore the same black and white clothes. And the moment I said Ben, you instantly imagined him in those same clothes. So what happens with repetition? 3 things happen. Number 1, followers grow. Number 2, recall value increases. Number 3, the page becomes perfect for brand deals. Once you generate the character using Gemini, the next step is to teach this character how to speak. For that, you use Vio 3. Here, you should give a talking style motion or a vlog type feel, as if the character is holding the camera in its hand and speaking directly to the viewer. Just imagine if a monkey, a bear, or even a character like Tony Stark talks to you while holding a camera. It creates a quirky feeling that grabs attention. Inside Google's Vio 3, you can easily generate these videos. You will find many tutorials online. I do not want to spend time teaching this part because it is actually very simple. After that comes our next segment, editing rules. Here also, I want to give a disclaimer. In this part, you will need editing tools like Premiere Pro, or if you are editing on a phone, you can use VN Editor and CapCut. Many people say their content is good, but they are not getting views. Why are you not getting views? Because today, good content isn't enough anymore. The content must be strong enough to hold the viewer. So while editing, I suggest a few rules. Rule number 1, use the dead air zero method. Something should move every second. It can be expressions, captions, punchlines, or even sound to grab attention. In a 10 to 15 second video, if even 1 second feels boring, the viewer will instantly swipe away. Second rule, captions are mandatory. Many people watch videos without sound, so captions should be fast, short, and conversational, like sending someone a WhatsApp message. Rule number 3, there should be movement on your punchline. When you crack a joke or make a funny observation, add a small zoom in or zoom out. This subconsciously signals the viewer's brain that something important just happened. And then comes the last rule, never close the sentence. As I said at the beginning of the video, the reel should end, like the sentence is unfinished. And in my opinion, editing is not an art. It is pure engineering. A type of engineering that teaches you how to hold a viewer's attention. Now we move to the last segment, the series strategy. One single viral reel will not make you money, and it will not grow your page. A page grows only when multiple videos go viral. That is why using a series strategy here is very important. One reel appears on the viewer's feed, disappears, and the viewer forgets it. But if a series that keeps appearing again and again, it creates memory. Ideally, you should have 3 simple buckets. First, the character reacts to humans. Here, you can use daily observations or relatable situations. Second, same energy, different situation. You simply change the location, but the topic stays the same. And third, 2 characters arguing with each other. Create a small conflict between 2 monkeys. People in India love watching this. If your daily observation is strong, you will notice something. Whenever there is a fight somewhere on the street, a crowd gathers. Because our mindset works like that. We enjoy watching live entertainment. We find entertainment in everything, even fights. So that is how simple it is to grow an AI page. But you should also understand your boundaries. Number 1, never copy real people exactly. Do not copy real politicians, real celebrities, or real private individuals. Avoid them. Number 2, if you want to do parody, create fictional characters. Never hurt anyone's religious sentiments. Always keep a clear rule in mind. The goal is to go viral, not create problems for yourself. And if you spread hate content, brands will never work with your page anyway. So staying smart and safe here is very important. And before leaving, I just want to remind you of one thing. Just creating a page will not bring money. You have to build a system around these pages. That becomes your main earning source. I will meet you in the next video with another viral business idea. Until then, keep hustling, keep learning, and as always, keep inspiring.